give you more.
Tulog sila oh. May mga ano pa eh, ban pa eh.
I'll give you more. I'll give you. Oh.
Nagmay na dito. Tayo sa chicken naman.
Chicken.
Ayun, maganda mga chicken.
What is? Oh, there's four right there.
Ha? Malayo nang inaano nila, no?
Oh, there's no. Chickens are so healthy.
Papakain ka naman. Oh.
Aww. Naihiwan yung pacifier dito. Yung bata. Where's the eggs? Are they laying eggs right there?
Ha?
Are they laying eggs?
Wala.
Why they're doing that? Woo!
Papainit
Guys,
sila. Mainit kasi yung lupa.
ang dumi nyo na. I think they're going to lay eggs.
Doon sila nangito sa loob doon, sa ano.
Inside the house.
Oo, ayun oh.
Inside their house.
Pasok sila doon.
Oh, baka tukain mo ko. Can you eat this?
Walang tandang.
You eat this? No? You don't? They are so friendly. They are here.
Ayun oh,
They
ayun.
thought I have food. I don't have food. I have this. Do you eat this?
Juicy, gusto niya yung ano.
No?
Ayaw.
You don't like this? I don't have food. I don't. Sorry.
Nakakampod at bibili ka food. Ay, may ala ko kalapati, uwak pala.
You are so cute. Cute.
Ayan, ang daming damo doon. Ba't tayo rin kumuha doon? Ba't dito sila pupunta?
I
Ayun
think kapag pinapaubos nila, they put some
no, may lusutan dyan.
parang bibi to.
Ang taba naman, ano kita man noon, baby pa.
Baby pa. Dito dapat yung mga ducks kasi ano yung mud. Mud. Wow.
Hmm. Hmm.
Tignan mo, nagmi-milk pa siya, oh.
Nuuntog niya, no?
Untog niya para mag-milk yung ano. Nasaan yung mama mo? Mama mo, me. Oh, tignan mo yung ano niya, yung bulak, what you call that, yung fur niya. Parang ano.
Go.
Ito yung ano nila. Oh, it's like a bulak talaga.
Masabit, no?
Ang baho.
Baho talaga. Yun ang problema dyan pag farm, mabaho.
Especially the meh.